think, Marge. All I need is a title.
Hello and welcome back. My name is GamerCat. You're watching GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. In this episode, we are going to try to get our next victory, which will get us into level 18. We just came off of a doubleheader where we won both games. And so we're hoping to continue the streak. If we get the third win, it'll also start giving us extra stars. So if we get a third win now, we'll have 2 stars into level 18, which will give us a pretty good foothold there. So let's go ahead and see what happens. So let's see here. We're going to get a worthy opponent. Let's see, what would I rather get? Oh, StarCraft Pro. There we go. That would have been kind of nice. Oh, against a druid. Okay, this is a rematch because we've fought druids before. Okay, we are starting second, which is good. We don't necessarily need we don't necessarily need 2 of the Korcon elites there, so let's go ahead and get rid of one of those. The rest of you look good. Okay. And we have a coin, as always. Okay, we'll get a pirate here, I believe. Yep, pirate there, and he will come in handy. You come in handy. Okay. Oh, okay, we're going to be able to equip a hook. And we'll get patches. Cool. Okay. Goody! You are standard. The opening that we love. 1 hit and patches for 2 points of face damage. There we go. Let's see. Oh, we start planning our next move. Okay, you're going to hit something. Probably, yeah, patches. Got 1 mana crystal. We'll have 3 hands. You look good. Let's see. You. That's actually a good idea right there. There we go. There we go. Which will enhance her too also when we get ready to get her out tomorrow. Or not tomorrow. God, tomorrow. Next turn. Sorry. So our next play is going to be to go ahead and get her out. Her. And we'll get an additional 2. So this will be a 4-3. Okay. Gets 2 mana crystals.
Where shall I start?
And brings out him. And I'm assuming... Nope, taunt. Oops, okay. Change of plans, maybe. Change of plans. Oh, I can't. Okay. 33 gives everybody else a +4. Damn. I know what I'm doing. Here. Do him. You do 2 points. And I will take him out. There we go. Do 2. Get rid of him. And more face. And our 4 drops are going to be either him. That's a good possibility right there. That's 4 to the face maybe. Or this and him. Get a better hero power. And do all this before the weapon expires. He's going to try to equalize the board. Oh, do 2 points of damage, okay. So, not equalize the board. That's not necessarily the best thing to do. Because this does not rely on my weapon, and I only have one more charge on the weapon. Let's go ahead and do our second thing here. Should be a 5-4 thanks to the buff here. Very nice. And let's pick something a little bit more offensive. And it'll be the thief power, or the rogue power, excuse me. Now we go ahead and hit the hit the face for more damage. Behold the rage of the Firelands. Oh, yuck, evil. Okay, Jade stuff. And summon a Jade. Okay. Well, we have 5. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this. That's 4. And that's 5, I think. Yep. All right. I'm going to do this even better so that I take the damage. Burn him. I take him. And then the rest of us hit the face. And there we go. He's down by a bunch. I have lethal next turn unless he does anything. And yeah, I can pretty well slow down this game and also keep up the pressure with the Korkan elites here. And he concedes. All right. Well, in the tradition of our most recent stuff, I'll give you a second game. So we beat Malfurion. Let's go ahead without further ado and just jump into the next one. And we are now ranked 18 with that bonus star as well. I'm not really surprised that this deck is doing all that well. The Pirate Aggro Warrior metagame is still doing pretty good. It's probably only about a month old, so people still have a problem with it. Of course, then I'll still run up against people who have problems with the Murloc metagame, which hasn't been around for a while. Okay. Once again, we never start with patches in our hand. Never start with patches in the hand, because we're just going to get him out anyway. Hopefully we get you out in a weapon. You're good. You're decent. Okay. Never start with patches in your hand. And it didn't work out quite as well as we would like to it, but okay. We're good for now. And we're playing a Shaman pirate deck, who also has patches. This could be interesting. Not necessarily good. This could be interesting. You know, I'm going to take the 3 points of damage. I don't want to blow my coin here on something that really isn't going to help me. Even 2 points of armor. So let's go ahead and pass turn. Undoubtedly, he sees this as a sign of weakness. Might very well be. I'll be down to 24 here. Yeah. Okay, now we kind of do want to do something. So this is let's get our I was not really given the best of hands to start off with here. Let's see, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go ahead and use you. Okay. Overload. At this point, see now, at the beginning of the game, overload is not a good thing. Right now that we're going into round 3, that's actually probably not a bad idea. Because you're not really gonna deprive yourself all that much. He's doing exactly what I wanted him to do here, though, and that's wipe out part of his hand, or wipe out part of his front here. So we're doing good at that point. Okay. What I want to do. I'm going to do my second one. Bash yourselves upon my warrior. I'm only down by 6 points going into this particular turn. That's not the best, but it's also not the worst. If it had been me, I probably would have done a little bit more damage to the face. I think part of it is he's also trying to do damage. He's doing damage to himself too. So now I'm only down by 4. I got it right there. Equip a hook that goes to. Whoa! Hello. This. And you are 1. And you. Hi. And you. Okay. Let's take out some stuff. Okay. I'll take a little bit of damage in order to make it so that he'll have to use all of his attack. Everything that's on the field right now he'll have to use in order to kill that taunt creature. Or just do that. Summon a 3/3 Jade Golem. Ew! Oh. But he didn't attack. That's interesting. Hook? No. I do need to do something along the lines of
What now?
let's see, 2/4. I got no. Don't do that. Do him and him. Okay. And then make it so that we have to. There we go. Ow. I am not in a position really to start worrying about that 7/7 out there. I don't have the life total there to worry about him, and I don't have anything on the field that can take him down. This is bad. Let's see here.
What now?
Okay, so we've got a total of 6. Go ahead and do that. I like her. Got all that shit. Go ahead and give myself a little bit more. That's 10 damage that they can do, plus whatever he has here in cards. Let's go ahead and do more damage to the face. And that's just in case we get another turn here. If we get in the next turn, I'll slow this down by going ahead and using him. Taunt with Device Shield. Face. I'm assuming face. Yes. So. Oh, shut up. This isn't done yet. What I'm going to do is, well, let's see, can I do anything? Let's see if we get him out. Yes and yes. Okay, so I'm up to 6. 3, 4, 5. And I got 2 things that can kill stuff. So we're going to go ahead and kill him and kill him. And try to do that. There we go. Now, no guarantees that this is going to work at all, but let's see what he does. All he has to do is have a card in there that does 1 point of damage. That didn't quite do it, but it does mean that nothing has to. That nothing. Ow! That'll do it. I think. Almost. Nope. Nope. But, unfortunately, this doesn't help me. Because one character or two characters get through that, or two characters attack and destroy that, and the rest of them go through. So, we'll go ahead and concede. Not going to get that other star. Okay. Lose our star. Boo. Defeat. Boo. Not a problem. Well, you win some, you lose some. In this case, we lost one. But if you did like the style of play, or if you have any comments or ways that I could have played it better or anything like that, let me know in the comments section below. In the meantime, this is GamerCat signing off.